How to schedule emails in Gmail account with your phone. Let's begin the video. Once you open the Gmail app, you will need to click the Compose button in this screen. To schedule emails, first compose the message like a regular email. First, add the recipient's email account, the email account to whom the email is being sent, the subject of the email content, and here, the main content of the email. Next, click this vertical, three-dotted More option. And from the menu list, select the Schedule Send tab, which will bring us to this screen. Here, we have these four options. We can select any one of these options. To schedule the email on a date of your own, select the last option. And in this screen, select the date of the email to be scheduled from the calendar. And next, select the time at which you want to schedule. Finally, click the Schedule Send option. And done scheduling the email with the phone in Gmail. I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment and share my video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates for more videos.